What's up guys, welcome back to the Mogul. If you are new to the channel, my name is Art and I am your host. Today we are at DCD Customs and DCD gave us the opportunity to review the all-new 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL. This is the Rubicon edition, and that means it's top notch, it's up there. This is the well-equipped Jeep Wrangler. If you look at the new Jeeps, they have a new front grille. That's their traditional grille, but they have a Jeep Delete, which I love because it looks clean. It comes with the new LED front headlights, which have a ring that lights up that looks beautiful. This is the LED daylight running lights. What I love about this grille is the fact that it's simple. So they have an option to have a bumper that detaches the sides. This is not that option, but you can get that. So if you get bigger aftermarket wheels and tires, you don't have to worry about going the aftermarket route. This Jeep right here, DCD actually put aftermarket 17-inch wheels with 37 tires. This Jeep has, I believe, a 2.5-inch lift. I love the new factory color matched fenders because you don't need to go the aftermarket route. The new fenders and the new body lines on the Jeep are absolutely new and redesigned for 2018. Love the hood, love the fact that the new windshield has a little bit more of an angle than the previous model. In 2018, if you look at the side of it, the body lines right here, the curves right here, the front, the new handles on the Jeep, they put a lot of luxury and a lot of thought into it. So if you look at the wheel right now and how it sits with this 2.5-inch lift, it looks absolutely beautiful. One thing that I'm not a big fan of is the design of the back light, because I don't understand why there is this little angle right here. So another good thing is you put the aftermarket rim in the back and you could hold your rear view camera right here. So you don't have to worry about, oh, I'm gonna go aftermarket route and how is my camera gonna work. Very simple, very easy, very clean. Overall, if you look at this Jeep, all they did was a 2.5-inch lift and these new wheels. So let's hop in, take it for a ride and see how it drives. Follow me, guys. What's up, guys? So I'm inside the car right now and taking it around. Oh, this feels good. So the new Wranglers have two engines. They have the 4-cylinder turbocharged and the naturally aspirated 3.6 liter 6-cylinder. We're in the 3.6 cylinder engine, which produces 285 horsepower. And I just started driving, but I feel like this car has much more power. And the way it performs, it's steering. It's a smooth car. For a second, you forget that you're in a Wrangler. The way like it drives, I feel like it has more turning radius and it just less body toss. Now, the redesign of the interior, this is something that I love it. The inside, I love it. If you look at the dash in the Rubicon with the red in the middle, you have the soft textured dash that was fully redesigned with the contrast red stitching in this car. You have a big 8.4-inch infotainment screen navigation system that is absolutely touch screen. So your heated seats and everything goes through your big screen right here. Another big change that I actually love is that between your gauges, you have a little screen over there. And when you start this Jeep, it gives you a little demo video of an old Jeep, and then it turns into your screen where it shows your radio station and your fuel, your driving direction, your temperature. Now, if you look at the dash, the climate control is very simple to use, but what I love is that they have a little Jeep logo right here for under your AC and your modes. The window up and down, I honestly not a big fan of the buttons because you have to stick your finger inside to put the windows up. Then you have your media, your USB, the shifter column, Also a beautiful design. It has the old Jeep logo. There's a little Jeep right there. You have the nice cup holders right here. The seats are beautiful. They also come with contrast stitching. You have your Rubicon logo in red. They're very, very comfortable. Like, I'm driving the car right now and you feel like you're in a sports car for a second, the way that they hug you. The rear seats, now you get more room in the back. You have vents right here. You have USB ports in the back. The rear seats are not at a 90-degree angle, so when you're sitting in your back, you're kind of comfortable. And overall, I love the fact that they took the time in the design of the interior just as much as the exterior, because they put handles. So now you have 4 handles where you don't need to go in the aftermarket route and put handles. The roof comes out much easier than its previous model. And the roll bars, the roll cage in the car actually comes color matched to your car. So if you have a red Wrangler, you're gonna have red roll cages. So when you take off the roof, it's gonna look cool. Overall, I love what they did to the car, and the 6-cylinder engine performs well. I just wish that we could take it off-road, because they got the new Dana 44s on it, and this bad boy is probably amazing going off-roading. The braking is great. It's a great car overall. So I wanted to say a huge thanks to DCD Customs, because I feel like I'm in Jeep heaven right now. Anywhere you look, there's modded Jeeps. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And this Jeep right here that we just drove is going to be an ongoing project. So stay tuned. Catch you later.